Okay, so how do you actually manipulate interior spaces using design? Well, there are a bunch of different ways architects do this. Here are five of the most effective. Technique number one, widen narrow spaces with mirrors and horizontal cues. If you have a tight room, place mirrors on the side wall instead of the end walls. Then use horizontal artworks and furniture layout that emphasize width rather than length to reduce that corridor-like feeling. Technique number two, make ceilings feel taller. Use tall vertical artworks and floor lamps that direct light upwards. You can also use shadow gaps instead of traditional baseboards to create a cleaner visual line that makes the room feel higher. Technique number three, maximize floor area with floating furniture. Wall-mounted cabinets, wardrobes, and storage units expose more floor area and make spaces feel larger. Furniture raised on legs also helps reduce visual weight and makes the room feel lighter. Technique number four, create a more intimate atmosphere. Sometimes the goal isn't to make a room feel bigger. Lower ceiling heights can make spaces feel warmer and more comfortable. Darker colors can also make a room feel more enclosed and cozy. Technique number five, improve the proportions of long rooms. Place a focal point at the far end of the room to draw the eye forward. For dining spaces, consider using oval tables instead of rectangular ones because they can appear wider while using the same footprint. Property owners who want smarter architectural design decisions that improve how a space feels. Comment I am ready if you want us to help you design your dream space.